Changing the email link to your Google account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Before changing your settings, use the eShore.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Personal Info. Once signed in, locate the Personal Info section in the left-hand menu. Click on it to view your account details. Step 3. Find Email Settings. Scroll down to the Contact Info section and click on Email. Here, you will see your current email address and the option to change it. Step 4. Change your email. Click on the option to edit your email address. Follow the prompts to enter your new email address and confirm it. You may need to verify your new email through a confirmation link sent to that address. Step 5. Save changes. After verifying your new email, make sure to save the changes. You will receive a notification confirming that your email has been updated successfully. Once you have completed these steps, your Google account will be linked to your new email address. If you encounter any issues, refer to Google's Help Center for further assistance.